salad leaves, some blue cheese, some ripe pears, some nice balsamic vinegar, crunchy walnuts, and sweet runny honey. So it can be all chefy if we like. Make a fanned out pear. Now for some cheese. We're just going to crumble that into the mixture. Now some walnuts. You just need to crush them up. You don't want them too fine. Now the last component, obviously the best honey, bee farmer honey. You want a light, sweet, aromatic honey for this one, nice and runny. Putting this dish together could not be simpler. Some nice salad leaves. Your fancy pear. Some cheese. Tastefully arranged. Walnuts, tiny bit balsamic vinegar, topped off with a nice drizzle of honey. Have a rocket, pear, Stilton and walnut salad dribbled with balsamic vinegar and the bee farmer honey.